Hello, and this is Samantha from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today it's all about air fryer chicken fries. If you've not had them before, they are absolutely delicious in the air fryer. You can make them as crispy as you want. You can use the air fryer to reheat them, and they're just fantastic for a quick snack or for dinner. And we also have 450 plus more easy air fry recipes over at recipethis.com, as well as a fantastic air fryer mini course which is free, and our free air fryer newsletter. I recommend you check it out, and if you have any questions or comments, you can reach out to us or just comment on this video. So let's get the bag open, shall we? The ones we've got here is just a non-branded one, because unfortunately we can't get Tyson at the moment, which is such a shame because I'd love to use Tyson. So you want to get your bag open, get out your air fryer baskets and load them in. I kind of think of them as a bit like skinny chicken fingers, so they don't take that long to cook. I think the thing that annoys me with frozen food is when you get them like this and they're stuck together. So I'm not going to use that one today because it'll ruin the cook times. And then of course you'll notice I'm doing it by hand, and this is because you don't want to end up with loads of the breading that's falling off, and you just want an even cook. And yes, you can do 2 layers, that's not a problem. I've seen some air fry recipes recently where they're just putting like 4 fries in the whole air fryer, and the air fryer is fine for a double layer, just don't overfill it. So we go, that's enough for us right now, so I'm now going to place them in the air fryer. So let's set the time and temperature. I'm going with 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and then I'm starting with a cook time of 8 minutes. Then I can check on them, and if they need longer, I can adjust. So then press start. And we've baked. Let's check on our chicken fries, shall we? Oh wow, they smell really, really good. I'm looking at them, they've got a lovely crisp on them. If you want more of a crisp on them, I recommend another 3 minutes at 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, and spraying them with a little bit of olive oil. But these are perfect for how we like them. So it just comes down to personal preference and how you like your chicken fries. And like I've previously mentioned, you can use any brand of chicken fries, whether it's Tyson or a supermarket owned brand like we've used today. So I've plated them up. I'm going to be giving this plate of them to the kids, but I thought I'd try one first just to see what they're like. So let's dig in, shall we? These are really, really nice, and I recommend that you try cooking them in the air fryer. It's just so easy to do, and if you're new to the air fryer, or if you just want something quick for dinner for you or the kids, it's just spot on. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.